friends and family. Here I have a singing bowl. I actually bought it off of Amazon. I'm going to show you how to use it. If you put it in your hand and you got it covered like this and you hit it, it's not going to get the sound that you're supposed to. But if you have your palms open and hold it in the middle and you hit it, you get a different sound and it gets louder. And you got to hold it close and tight to the bowl. And you can hit it again and keep doing it. But if you want it to stop, you just hit it like that. So, if you want to learn how to use a singing bowl, follow my channel or go to my Instagram. Or if you want to take any meditation classes, yoga, hiking, or camping, I do it all. So, follow my channel on Soulful Thinking on YouTube or Instagram is My Locks Journey, and inbox me if you want to start any classes with me or anything. Thank you.